and it failed. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching HQ BMW, and my name is Jeff. So, the last time you guys would have seen, I was about to remove the tank and compressors out of the trunk so that I could wrap them and do something different with them. Well, I had a thought. I haven't fully come up with the wrap design yet, so I figured, why am I wrapping the tank when I don't know what the car is going to look like yet? So I just decided that I'm going to hold off on that, and we're going to finish something that we started. Calibrate the height sensors. I just have a few connections to finish in the trunk, which I'll show you guys here very shortly. Keep watching, and let's get these height sensors calibrated. So if this is your guys' first time tuning in, we are installing the Airlift 3H system into my BMW. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this before. The one thing we didn't do is, in a previous vlog, we went and ran all of the height sensor wires, we mounted the height sensors, and now all we have to do is plug them back into this setup. Let's get these things plugged in. On the actual cable, it's labeled. So this one, sorry, upside down for you guys, but it's RR. And then on the actual cables themselves, they have the corresponding RR. So let's get this plugged into RR. Okay, there's that one. Now we got front R, so front L, front R, plug that in, and then we have right, left, and the last one. We're plugged in. Let's get the car all the way to full height, and we'll get the quick jacks out of here. Okay, got it aired up. Let's get the quick jacks out. We got the bags aired up. We got the car underneath cleared away, and now we're looking at the Airlift control pad. So we got air in the system, we got the bags almost inflated. Now we're going to do run the calibration test. So you push the center airlift button, and then the top, this middle arrow right here, that gets you into the menu. So now we're going to go down to calibration, and then it says it is calibrated. Do you wish to recalibrate your system? We're going to say yes. So we're going to start. Is it on a level surface? Yes. Are the front wheels straight? Yes. Yes. All free of obstructions? Yes. Is your manifold mounted? Yes. Do you have 1 or 2 compressors? 2. Calibrate pressure manual or auto? Auto. Do you have height sensors? Yes. Calibrate the height manual or auto. Auto. Vehicle is ready to move. Are you ready? Yes. It's paused so that the compressor can catch up. So I have the PSI set at 170, so there it would stop. And it failed. So I don't know what to say here, but I'm going to stop this and see what's wrong. Well, we're just waiting for the compressors to fill up. It's filled, and hopefully we didn't get an error again, but let's go in and take a look. There's a fault. Looks like this. Left, right rear height sensor is gonna need some adjusting. Obviously all things don't go to plan, so at least we got the wiring hooked up. We tried to run the tests. You guys will know how to run the tests now. I'll have to pull off the right wheel and check the height sensor. I know I had a bit of an issue when I was installing it. I was fighting with the heights, so I'll go back over it. We'll get it fixed, and then we'll get it all calibrated properly. So just goes to show you, not all things are going to go according to plan, but we'll get it. No sweat, no problem. Just one of those trials and tribulations from doing all this work yourself. Just stay positive. It'll all work out. It'll come together. Trust me. It's just gonna take a bit of time. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see what happens and see how we get it fixed and how it gets rectified. Peace.